right, so now that we have our lifter out of the machine, here in part 2, we are going to remove the lift bearing itself. So I got my 1/8 Allen. I'm going to remove the 4 bolts on top that are holding down the lift pad. Get those loosened up. When you go to loosen these on your machine, they have been blue Loctited, so you're going to need to get a little oomph behind them to actually get it out of there. Let's go ahead and take off the lift pad. Underneath our lift pad, we have what we refer to as the retaining ring. This applies pressure to the outer race of the bearing, of the actual lift bearing itself. Just like in part 1 when we were talking about the laser washers, it applies pressure on the outer race of the bearing while being able to tighten everything down so it can still spin. And on the center here, we have what we refer to as the retaining bolt. This is what's holding the inner race of the bearing down to the rest of the assembly. I have my 5/8 socket wrench, and I need you to listen to me very closely at this juncture. The retaining bolt is reverse threaded.
Say that one more time for me.
The retaining bolt in the center of the lift bearing is reverse threaded. So I brought the lifter assembly over to a vise. I've wrapped it in a towel to make sure it's not damaged during the process. Made sure and got it good and tightened down. I'm going to turn the retaining bolt righty-loosey to get it loosened up.
So we're going to pull it on out of there. Yep. There we go.
And I have removed my lifter bearing.